In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default paper size in Microsoft Word. This is a handy tip if you often find yourself adjusting the paper size for various documents and want to make your most used size the default for any new document you create. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Word on your computer. If you've been using Word for a while, you'll know that it usually opens fairly quickly, taking you to either a new document or your last opened project. But regardless of where you land, what you need to focus on right now is the top of the window, where you'll see all the tabs like File, Home, and Insert. Today, our focus is on the Layout tab. Now, if you're working with an older version of Word, you might see it labeled as Page Layout. But don't worry, it's the same thing. Once you click on that, it leads you to a new set of options specifically for customizing your document's layout. Next up, let's zoom into the Page Setup group of options. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Size. This is where the magic begins. When you click the Size button, a menu will drop down, displaying a variety of preset paper sizes. Here, you can pick from standard sizes like A4, letter, or legal. But what if the size you need isn't on this list? Not to worry, because you can customize this too. Simply choose the More Paper Sizes option at the bottom of the drop-down. This will bring up a window that allows you to input your desired width and height manually, giving you the exact setup you need for your work. After you have your preferred size set up, there's an important step to ensure this change sticks. Look at the bottom of the Page Setup window, and you'll see a button labeled Set as Default. Click on this. Doing so prompts a pop-up message asking if you really want to make this the default setting for all new documents. This is an important step because it means Word will apply this size to any new document you create, saving you a lot of time in the future. The message will also remind you that this change will affect all new documents based on the normal template. Finally, all that's left is to confirm. Go ahead and click Yes on the pop-up message. Voila! Your chosen paper size is now set as the default for all subsequent Word documents, and you're all set up for future projects. With that, you've learned how to change and set a default paper size in Word, making all your future document creations smoother and more tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tip as useful as I have.